So today is 4th May 2021. It is 8th B class. Okay बच्चे, 8th B students, you just take out your rough notebooks. Today we are going to do diary entry. Okay. So for doing diary entry, you have to keep some points in your mind. You jot down all the points in your notebook. Diary entry is an informal piece of writing. It is an informal piece of writing. It means here you are free to describe your feelings. You are free to describe your feelings, your emotions. Okay, you are free to describe your feelings, your emotion, your experience, okay, or you are supposed to make any of the comment. You can make any of the comment on your experience. So there is not any formal way. Informally, you can describe your feelings, you can describe your thoughts, you can describe your emotions, you can tell about your experience, you can make any of the comment. So thus that's why it is known as an informal piece of writing. Okay, and when you are supposed to write down diary entry, jot down all the points in rough. Jot down all the points in rough. Okay, then arrange. When you are writing for the examination point of view, okay, then you arrange all the points. And when you are doing diary entry, it is very much compulsory to mention date and time. Okay, it is very much compulsory to mention date and time. Day is very much compulsory to mention, date should be mentioned thoroughly, and time should be mentioned, that before going to bed you are supposed to write down this diary. Okay, and for salutation you can write down dear diary. For salutation you can write down dear diary. At the end put signature. Instead of writing your name, put signature of the writer. It means you are the writer, you are writing a piece of writing, so you will be writing here signature of the writer. You will putting signature. Okay, and when you are writing content, so content should be near about 100 to 120 words only. You should not exceed word limit. You are not supposed to exceed word limit. You will be writing content in only 100 to 120 words. Okay, you are supposed to write down only 100 to 120 words. You should not exceed word limit. All the ideas should be properly arranged. You are free to describe your any experience, your feelings, your thoughts, your emotions. Okay, you can make any of the comment on it. Whatever the feelings are going in your mind, you are supposed to write down. Okay, so here I am going to discuss format with you. Here I am going to discuss format of diary entry with you, and these points you can do in rough, but keep all these points in your mind when you will be doing the preparation and when you will be writing piece of writing in your fair notebook. You keep all the points in your mind. Afterwards I am going to share format of diary entry with you, and you are supposed to write down this format in a very neat and clean handwriting in your fair notebooks, and it will be thoroughly checked. Okay, so you do this format in your fair notebooks. So start writing about this. Anjali, that question answers of the camel, yes, I'll be discussing it with you, then you will be doing. But before that, you do this piece of writing, diary entry, okay, format. So for that, shall I move further? Shall I rub it if you have written it? Yes, Harmanpal, what is your doubt? Yes, Harman, what do you want to ask? Good morning. Yes, yes, wait. Jot down all the points in rough. Jot down all the points in rough and then arrange. Clear, बच्चे? Okay, okay, beta. Now I'm going to rub it and afterwards I'm going to write down format of diary entry. So get ready for that. Okay. Okay. So in diary entry, what is the correct format? So all of my dear students start writing format of diary entry. Format of diary entry. You just draw a line along with the margin of your notebook and here you mention day and date. Day and date. After writing day and date, you write down time. After time, write down salutation. Write down the spellings of salutation very carefully because when I checked your notebook, so many students are in the habit of writing solution. I'll show you. I'll take screenshot and I will show you why do you write down solution. It is not solution, it is salutation. So in first line you are supposed to write down day and date, then time, then salutation. Okay. Here you are supposed to write down the contents of your diary entry. Contents of diary. And this content should not exceed word limit. It should have only 100 to 120 words only. After writing this content, at last you put signature. Signature of the writer. Okay, you are writer, you are writing this piece of writing. So day and date, time, salutation, content of diary and signature of writer. And here I am going to tell you one thing, listen carefully. When in your exam, any of writing skill, whether it is formal letter writing, informal letter writing, notice, diary, descriptive paragraph, okay, letter, anything is asked, so you might have seen that bifurcation is given like this. So try to understand this bifurcation. Suppose diary entry is there. So 2 marks are for correct format. Whatever the format I have told you, if you follow this correct format, so you will be getting 2 marks for format. Clear, bache? And 3 marks you will be getting for writing correct content. Whatever the question is given to you, and if you are writing according to the content, good quality you are writing, so you will be getting 3 marks for writing good content. And 2 marks, I'm taking only one example, okay? Grammar accuracy. That whatever the grammar you have used to do any piece of writing skill, if your grammar is completely accurate, you have used correct tenses, correct formation of sentences, so you are going to supposed to get 2 marks for that. So see this format, if you are following this format very carefully, so you will be getting 2 marks for correct format. So write down this format correctly in your fair notebooks. After that, I am going to share one screen with you and this question I am going to give you. Okay. In this question, I have taken one visual also. You are not supposed to draw that visual. You can write down only question. But now in order to do in class, I am going to take one visual. You will keep this question in your mind. Beta, last 2 marks are for grammar accuracy. Grammar accuracy, it means grammatically whatever the sentences you have framed, all these sentences are right or wrong. Okay, so grammar accuracy. Clear? Now shall I move further? Shall I take that page. So this question I have taken, one visual is shown to you. This majestic gesture of these three wild deers has forced you to think that it is wrong to keep animals in captivity. Make an entry in your diary in 100 to 150 words sharing your feelings on this. In place of 150, you can take 120 also. Okay. So this is your question that I have shared here. This pic is given to you. This is a pic of majestic deer. Okay. When you saw this pic, these wild deers. Okay. So these wild deers have forced you to think about these zoo animals, those who are kept in zoo. Okay. And now you have to write down diary entry using 100 to 120 words. So let's think on this topic and start framing diary on this. Clear? So look at this question, read this question 2-3 times and start writing all the points in rough. Whatever the ideas coming in your mind, you can type in chat box also. I'll be reading and I'll be appreciating all my active students. And today I want my all students should be active. I can ask any of the child to answer me, to frame 2-3 lines what they think about this diary, what ideas are coming in your mind. Clear? So tell me what ideas are coming in your mind. The question is, this majestic gesture of these three wild deers has forced you this majestic gesture of these three wild deers has forced you to think that it is wrong to keep animals in captivity. It means when you have seen this pic, you have seen that these deer are so beautiful, so majestic, so graceful, okay? And you are looking at them and you are thinking why they are kept in zoo, okay? So you just share your feelings. You are free to share your feelings. So you have read this question. Have you read this question carefully? So let's start writing this diary. You can jot down this question also. You are supposed to do this diary entry in your fair notebook. So in fair notebook, there is no need to draw this pic. You can write down only question. Okay, bachche? So wait, bachche. Yes, Harman. What do you want to say, bachche? Yes. You have raised your hand. Okay, I'm going to share it with you. Just wait. So for this question, what will be the beginning? How to start diary entry? Each and every line should be written along with the margin. Okay, each and every line should be written along with the margin and you are supposed to write down day and date. So date today is Tuesday. So write down Tuesday. Then write down full date. 4 May 2021. Write down full date and when you are going to sleep, when you are going on your bed, you are supposed to do diary entry. So for that you write down 9 p.m. Don't write down too early, don't write down too late. So 9 p.m. is the most appropriate time. You can mention during your exam also if diary entry is asked. So dear diary, okay. So here you are supposed to write down all the contents we will be discussing. At last you will be putting your signature. Suppose I am taking name ABC. So here you can put signature like that, ABC. But now we are going to write down all the content ideas. You all write down in your rough notebooks. Here I will be writing on the mica board. Okay, and you will have a plenty of ideas with you. Then you will be feeling easy and comfortable to frame this piece of writing. So Harman is very much eager. He is feeling so inquisitive. Okay. Okay, Harman, what do you want to say, bache? Yes. Okay, very good, very well written, very well written, Bache. You are very active student of my class. So, in some very short time, you have prepared this diary entry. So, my all students are so intelligent, so lovely. So, I'm going to chat. I'm going to read their chat. What their thinking point is. What do they think? So, I want to appreciate first Taranya. Deers are graceful. They are the cute creature made by God, but they are kept in captivity. They should be kept. They should not be kept in captivity. They are not. They should not be treated. They should be. They are not treated equally as other animals are. Okay, good. So you write down. They should not be kept. Okay. Otherwise, your content is very good. You are also a very active child of my class. You always participate, and your ideas are always praiseworthy. Okay, after that, my next intelligent student is Arish. They are looking sad and wanted to live freely in jungles. Very good point Arish has written. So, dear student, you can also copy these points. Some points I will be discussing on the board. I'll be telling you, but these are also good points. You can copy them. The Rania point and Arish point, you can copy Ananya. Okay, Arish. They're very beautiful and they have right live in jungle. They have right to live in jungles. Okay. Prabsharan Jodh. But we all have freedom, but animals do not have freedom. Okay, so they are so beautiful. Okay. So Ananya is very much eager to tell about the answer. Okay, Ananya, I'm giving you chance. After that, I will be sharing so many points with you. Okay, Ananya, what have you written? Yes. Yes, good morning, bache. Okay. Good. Now, bache, I am going to give you so many hints. You jot down all the hints and add in your diary entry whatever you are writing. See. Okay. So, first you have to tell about your experience. Which kind of experience you are having? Experience of visiting wild park. You can tell any of the name of the park where animals are kept. Okay. So here, what did you see? You have seen healthy and majestic deer. Okay. You have got a chance to see healthy and majestic deer. They were looking happy. Okay. They were leaping. They were grazing. Okay. But soon they joined their young one. They joined their young one. So you share your experience only that what have you seen in that zoo. You can make a list of other animals also. List of some other animals also that you have seen there. But you are moved to write down a piece of diary entry when you looked at the deer. Okay. Now when you think about the plight of these animals, what is the meaning of plight? Can anybody tell me? What is the meaning of plight? Plight means condition. Plight means condition. So when you look at the condition of that animals, how do you feel? That they should not be kept in captivity. They should not be kept in captivity. Okay? Because they become so passive there. They become passive. Sometimes they become so sad. They become so unhappy. Okay? They become so unhappy. And they have very little space. They have very little space to move. Okay. So how animals should be kept? Animals should be kept free. Why? You can put any of the quotation here. What kind of quotation you can write down about freedom? About freedom, that freedom is the, yes, freedom is the birthright. Freedom is the birthright of each creature. I know when now you're a 8th class, when you were in 6th and 7th, so many students were having a habit of writing this thing, that I'm feeling sleepy, I'm going to bed. Avoid writing such kind of lines in class 8. Okay? You were supposed to write down, I'm feeling sleepy. You used to write down, na? So don't write down in 8th class. You should improve your level. So instead of writing this thing, I'm feeling sleepy, mama is calling me, I'm going to bed, bye bye, like that. Don't write down such kind of lines, because if you'll be writing such kind of lines, so you are not going to get 3 marks for content. I'll deduct your marks, because in 8th class your level should be high. So you can end up your diary by putting good quotation like freedom is the birthright of each creature. Clear? So all these ideas I have shared in chat box. So many students have also shared their ideas. So you make a list of all those ideas what I have shared with you. Then jot down all the ideas which are coming in your mind. Okay. Then discuss, then read all those ideas of chat box. Okay. I have discussed also with you. Then you frame a fair piece of writing. You jot down all the ideas which you think the most appropriate one, but you should not exceed word limit. You should follow word limit also, and all the sentences should be interrelated, interlinked. Okay, only then it will be considered a good piece of writing. Now we are running out of time. Okay, bache. So it is your homework. I am giving you this homework. You do this diary entry in your first rough notebook. Then you do in fair notebook, and it will be checked. Okay. I'm giving you 1 day to do this diary entry. Afterwards, I will tell you to send me your notebooks, and I'll be checking your notebooks. Okay, bache. Now thank you and have a nice day, and do your work daily. Do not put off till tomorrow what you can do today. Thank you and have a nice day.